In the last class, we have studied what Anuj used to do to the old people and how he used to have fun doing that. Now, let us see what happens further with him. That same evening, Anuj was alone at home. So, we can see that Anuj is alone at home. His parents had gone to a party. He decided to watch TV in his parents' room. So, the same evening means the day he was troubling the old people in the building, that same evening he was alone at home and his parents had gone to a party. Then what did he do? He decided to watch TV in his parents' room. As soon as he stretched his hand to switch on the lights, he heard some whispering. So, when he stretched his hands to put on the light, he heard someone whispering. What did he hear? Anuj got very scared. He was very scared because there was nobody at home. But still, he heard someone whispering and he was scared. He ran out of the house. He ran down the steps. He needed help. He could only think of Uncle Rao. Yes. What did he do? He came out of the house and he ran down the steps. Anuj stayed on the fifth floor and old Rao uncle stayed on the fourth floor. So when he ran down, there was nobody else other than Uncle Rao. So he could think only of Uncle Rao. He banged Uncle Rao's door loudly. Tears were streaming down his face. He thought that Uncle Rao would not open the door, but the door opened and Uncle asked him, "What happened, Anuj? Why are you crying?" Between sobs and hiccups, Anuj told him about the strange sound in his house. Yes, here you can see when he came down and he banged the door, Uncle Rao came and opened the door and he asked, "What happened, Anuj? Why are you crying?" Though he was crying and he was scared, he told about the strange sound which he heard in his house. Uncle Rao held Anuj's hand and told him not to cry. See now, they used to trouble Uncle Rao every day. But Uncle Rao forgot about that and he decided to help Anuj. It is so good of Uncle Rao. He then called some other people and together they went to Anuj's house. They caught two thieves in the house and handed them over to the police. It is really being so kind of Uncle Rao that he took help of some other people in the building and caught hold of the thieves in the Anuj's house. Though Anuj used to help Uncle Rao, he could have told Anuj, "You always trouble me, I am not going to help you." But no, he helped Anuj. So you should never trouble others. You never know when you will need the help of others. So you should always be good to others. If you are good to others, even they will help you. Okay? Here you can see that the people in the building have handed over the police. These thieves are handed over to the police. Anuj felt very bad. He had spent the whole day troubling the sick old man, but that same man had saved him and his house from the thieves. He said sorry to Uncle Rao and promised never to ring doorbells to disturb anyone. Okay, now Anuj has realized his mistake and he is saying sorry to Uncle Rao. He feels very bad that he troubled the old man, sick man, whole day. But old man, Uncle Rao, forgot everything and he helped Anuj. He saved Anuj and the house. And Anuj made sure that his friends also never rang doorbells to disturb anybody. Yes. Anuj became a very good boy. He even decided to see that none of his friends will ring the doorbell and disturb anyone. It's really good. He realized his mistake and he decided to be a good boy. Very good, Anuj. Children, all of you go through these videos, today's one and today's. Okay? And I shall send you all the question and answers. Take care, children.